Many Orange County businesses invest heavily in content but still struggle to rank on page 1. Why? One of the most common reasons is duplicate content. It's a silent killer for your organic search performance. Multiple pages targeting the exact same topic can confuse search engines and weaken your overall visibility. Duplicate content isn't always intentional. It often hides in copied service pages or location-specific landing pages. It also appears through parameter URLs, duplicate site templates, or old landing pages that were never deactivated. In 2026, search engines are prioritizing clarity and authority above everything else. When several pages compete for the same keyword, Google struggles to decide which one deserves the top spot. This dilutes your authority and sends weaker search signals, allowing your OC competitors to pull ahead. Before making changes, document your current SEO baseline. You need to know exactly which pages are overlapping. Identify who owns the content strategy and who will be responsible for the consolidation process. Watch for pages receiving little traffic despite targeting important keywords. That's a major red flag. Check for inconsistent canonical tags or outdated campaigns that are still indexed and hurting your site health. Phase 1 is simple. Audit your duplicate pages and consolidate that overlapping content immediately. Remove outdated URLs and strengthen the single primary page that best serves your user's intent. Next, focus on your technical signals. Review your canonical tags, 301 redirects, and internal linking structure. Search engines need clear, unambiguous signals to know which version of a page should receive the ranking authority. Now, track your results. Monitor your rankings, impressions, and clicks to see the impact of your cleanup. The goal isn't just fewer pages, it's stronger visibility and better business outcomes for your OC brand. Many businesses treat this as a one-time cleanup. In reality, it requires ongoing governance and monitoring. New campaigns and website updates can easily recreate duplicate issues if you aren't paying attention. When fixed correctly, search engines understand your site clearly, leading to a much better user experience. Your service pages become more effective at generating leads and driving real growth for your company. Technijian helps Orange County businesses identify these hidden issues and build a stronger, more authoritative online presence. Ready to fix your SEO? Contact Technijian today for a customized strategy built for your 2026 business goals.